healthy is not just a state, it's a way of life. And on this way, you need a guide to enjoy this journey hassle-free. And the name is Medgate Today. Medgate Today, one of the leading international magazines of healthcare, which aims to educate the masses and the classes of the country with the latest healthcare information and innovations.
Hello viewers, my name is Khadija Khanam and I'm the host of today's Healthy Talk Show led by Medgate Today TV Digital. Today we are at the clinic. It is situated at the heart of Riyadh. It has a one-day surgery and a polyclinic center offering a unique concept of a wide range of medical and surgical solutions for patients of all age groups. The clinics is considered as one of the region's leading medical centers, offering a variety of medical and surgical procedures for the patients who do not need to stay at the hospital. The center has 24 private treatment clinics, 3 operating rooms, 5 bed post anesthesia care units, 3 short stay rooms. The clinics globally residing reputable and visiting consultants and surgeons best medical care for their patients with the latest techniques and equipments and advanced treatments. Joining with us today is a very special person, the chairman of the clinics, Dr. Tariq Alshenaifi. Welcome, Dr. Tariq.
Thank you for the introduction and looking forward for this interview.
You're welcome. Can you please tell us more about yourself and elaborate your journey in the healthcare industry?
As you said, I'm Dr. Tariq Alshenaifi, graduated from King Saud in 1995. Then I joined King Faisal Hospital in 1996. Then I was in Boston University for the 5 years for my postgrad and for the American Board in Pediatric Dentistry. Then I was in King Faisal from 2001 until 2020. And then I have my full time here in the clinics. We established the clinic in 2012. We started seeing a first patient in 2013. So since that time we are building the clinics. We started with a small number of clinics. Now we are under almost 5,000 square meters for the one-day surgery and for the clinics, as you mentioned in the introduction.
That's very interesting, sir. Could you please tell us the specialty of your clinic and how it is different from others?
In the beginning, we started with, we are focusing at that time on cosmetic. We started with derma clinic, laser, dental, and wellness. And plus of the plastic clinics, where we are doing only the consultation. And in 2016 or 2017, we decided to build the OR, the in-house for one-day surgery. Then we expanded at that time. We added some other clinics. We added the plastic surgery, one-day surgery, physiotherapy, sport medicine, OB/GYN, ENT, and we added also the vitamin drips, Revive. And then the year following, we had the chance to build the IVF department, and now it's considered one of the best in the region for the IVF department. And recently we added with the IVF the male infertility. So we combined the IVF and the male infertility together, so to solve any issue for the pregnancy for the lady or from the side from the husbands. And recently we had opened the Step Ahead. Step Ahead is like a new post-rehab. It's not after doing the physiotherapy, we had this post-rehab for the athlete. So we have the Step Ahead at the clinics. Recently, we signed also a big move for the clinics and strategic partnership with Medtronic for the diabetes. We will talk about it maybe later. So this is like an idea how the clinic started small and how is the clinic today.
That's great, sir.
Thank you.
What is your approach to ensuring patient satisfaction and high quality service?
So since we started, we took the promise that we will have a high standard and high quality of care. And as you know, today is like, it's not about providing only health or service, no, to provide a good experience for the patients. And what satisfies ourselves here that we have the best marketing is the word of mouth. So we have like a family, they are joining or they are visiting the clinics since 2013 until now. So we are building a good relation with the patients. Although I don't call them the patient, I call them as a clients for us. And alhamdulillah, we had a good reputation for the market that we have good outcome and good service, good quality.
How do you see the artificial intelligence going to play in the future related to this?
Well, this is one part. If you ask me, we will have it soon. Next year, inshallah, we will have diabetes clinic, and this is dependent on the intelligence.
Oh.
What does it mean for the type 1 patients, especially for the kids? Always the mother or the father, they are worrying about their kids, even during sleep, even if they are going to their friends, if they are going together with their friends, they are always worried. So in this system, we are following the patient 24 hours, all the times from the system. So if the blood sugar is high or low, we will have the alerts in the monitor. So we can call the patient, we can call the mother or call the father that there is something wrong. Where is the patient, what he's doing, what is he eating. So this will assure that for the parents to have safe time for their kids, especially for the type 1 diabetes, for the diabetic patients. So this is to answer your questions. Where it will go more and more, but this is one example. And we are proud here to be the first clinic in the Middle East. It was applied in Europe, and it was applied for a pilot study or pilot time in the Al-Ahsa with the Ministry of Health. But now we are the first private clinic doing this one, and we are planning to expand more clinics, 7 or 8 clinics in the kingdom.
How much are you ready to be equipped?
For?
Like to handle the constantly changing landscape of medical needs?
Always the clinics, we are looking for the new technology, we are replacing the old machine with the new machine. In the DBU, the procedure, we have the latest technology. And as I said, always we are looking for the new technology to apply it here. And we are one of the leaders in the market here to have the new machines, the new equipment for the medical centers.
What is your vision? Do you have any international partnership plans?
One of the international, this is like the diabetes, and we already signed the contract, and now we are working in the implementation. So it will be next year, we will have the first clinics in Riyadh and in the Middle East. So this is one of the clinics that we are leading this one. And the other one we having also the vitamin drips Revive. This is also international. Revive is a European brand based in British in London. So we having this one only with us in Riyadh. So the vitamin drips also since 3 or 4 years with us. So these two like international agreements or international collaboration with the good partners. So and we are looking to have more partnership with well distinguished name with the companies, or so the door is open for us.
What is your key approach in steering the teams towards growth and success of your organization?
Always we believe in our team for the employee. So, and always we're saying they are the key for success. So if you have a good administration, a good with the team, always we are supporting our employees so they can provide a good service, deliver a good and high quality service. So this is maybe the secret of the clinics, to have retention or to have a long journey with their employees.
Thank you, Dr. Tariq, for joining us today.
Thank you.
And sharing your insights and your thoughts on our healthcare industry.
Thank you, Fazil. Thank you for the Medgate. And looking forward for another meeting with you,
Inshallah.
Being healthy is not just a state, it's a way of life. And on this way, you need a guide to enjoy this journey hassle-free. And the name is Medgate Today. Medgate Today, one of the leading international magazines of healthcare, which aims to educate the masses and the classes of the country with the latest healthcare information and innovations. Medgate Today, India's top and world's foremost healthcare magazine, your gateway to health and medical world.